So we're going to start out by spraying the paper towel holder. This is completely optional. This is the only thing that I didn't get from Dollar Tree. So yeah, you can leave it as is, or you can just get the spray. It's pretty affordable. I got it from Walmart. So now I'm going to take my cold water and then I'm just going to pour it into my concrete mix. I didn't use any specific ratio. I pretty much just winged it. And then I'm just going to mix it until I get my desired consistency. I will be honest, this concrete is from Dollar Tree and it's really cheap and it has like pebbles and stuff. But at the end of the day, it's cool because once it sets, it's going to dry completely solid. So you'll be fine. Now I'm gonna pour it in my pan, which I also got from Dollar Tree. Make sure you get this one. This pan is a non-stick pan. And I'm just gonna pour it in, and then I'm gonna tap in between pouring just to make sure there's no air bubbles, and then to make sure that the concrete is completely leveled. Okay, so now it's time to actually put the holder inside the concrete. I'll let the concrete set for about 5 minutes first, so it won't sink all the way to the bottom. So just push it in and shake it up until the concrete fully covers the metal part. And you're gonna let it set overnight for 24 hours. Now it's the next day. I let my concrete set for a full 24 hours. So now I'm gonna pop it right out the pan. The pan is a non-stick pan from Dollar Tree, so it popped right on out. And here I'm just using my sander just to sand the top. If you don't have a sander, you're gonna see in the next clip that I just used sandpaper. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this off by sealing the concrete with Mod Podge. You can also use a spray sealant, but right here I'm just going to use the Mod Podge and I'm just going to paint it on. And after that I'm going to let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and then it's all set. I absolutely love how it came out. It kind of reminds me of something that you'll find like in Urban Outfitters or like Anthropologie. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.